The showroom here in Milton Keynes is truly unique. It's an impressive, open plan space set over 2 floors and is packed with numerous displays to showcase the full range of bespoke products that we manufacture. Within all our showrooms, we display our products in their true settings, so when visitors step into our Milton Keynes showroom, they'll see our windows installed into the fabric of the building, and our bifold doors and sliding doors installed within kitchen areas and dining areas, with all products at relevant sizes, so customers can see exactly how they will look and feel within their own homes.
The ground floor of the showroom includes a full-size rear house elevation with a kitchen extension, 2 unique entrance atriums and a glass box display. The first floor is accessible by staircase or by lift and contains further displays focused around our bifolding doors and our more cost-effective front doors, plus a unique viewing perspective of our huge range of skylights.
No matter what stage your project is at, whether you're just looking for some initial ideas, looking to replace your existing doors or windows, or carrying out a large extension or new build, this showroom is the perfect place to visit. The variety of products, all beautifully installed into our expertly built displays, will offer endless ideas and inspiration for architects, homeowners and trade professionals. The products that we display here in Milton Keynes are all manufactured in our world-class production facility in Leeds, including a range of bifolding doors, steel look doors, sliding doors, a full suite of window types, including specialist products like shaped windows, curtain walling, frameless balustrades, and skylights are prominent throughout, along with a huge choice of entrance doors, all displayed in different colours, finishes, sizes and opening configurations, so visitors can explore the full tailored options available for their project.
There is no need to make an appointment to visit us here in Milton Keynes. There is ample parking and will provide plenty of drinks and refreshments upon your arrival. The showroom is only 5 minutes from junction 14 on the M1 and a short walk or taxi ride from Wolverton train station, which is on the West Coast Main Line, making the showroom easy to visit by train if you're travelling via Birmingham or London.
We've gone to great lengths to ensure that our Milton Keynes showroom displays the full potential of our products, and we have an expert team on hand to answer any questions or queries and to help you find the perfect products and solutions for your home improvement project.